Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to connect and set up AirPods on a PC or laptop in Windows. I'll be showing you within Windows 11, but the method will be nearly identical on Windows 10 as well. Let's get into it. To start, first check that your PC or laptop has Bluetooth and that it's switched on. Open the Settings app and choose Bluetooth and Devices from the menu, or search for Bluetooth to open this page. Make sure the Bluetooth button is enabled, and now switch your attention to your AirPods very quickly. Ensure that they have enough charge and put them both in their case if you haven't already. Back on your PC or laptop, click on the Add Device button on the Bluetooth page, and then choose the option called Bluetooth. Your PC or laptop will now start searching for your AirPods, so we need to get them into pairing mode. To do this, open the lid of the AirPods case, but leave the AirPods in and now hold down the button on the case for a few seconds until the light on the front of the case starts flashing white. After a few seconds, your AirPods should now appear on the list on your screen, and if you click on them once, then wait a second or two, it should say your device is ready to go, and you can click on Done. You can check that they are working on the sound settings page in both the input and output section, and if you search for Change System Sounds in the search bar and open this, then head to the Playback tab, you should see your AirPods on the list here as well, and you can double click on them to change settings. For example, you can add enhancements if you have this option. If you have your AirPods connected to your iPhone as well, you may see a message called "In use by another device" on your iPhone. But your AirPods should still work as normal when you either disconnect them from the Bluetooth settings on your PC or laptop, or when you turn off your PC or laptop. That's how to connect and set up AirPods on a PC or laptop in Windows. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.